welcome dear student. Today our topic is about the preprocessor directive, page 41 on textbook. What are preprocessor directives and what is the purpose of their use and how we can use in programming? These are some examples. Preprocessor directive. Every C language program contains preprocessor directive at the beginning of the program. It start with hash sign. ये हैश साइन से स्टार्ट होते हैं. ठीक है. The commonly used examples are: first, hash sign include header file name. This is first example of preprocessor directive. Include keyword, hash sign is the symbol for preprocessor directive. Header file. Here we mention any header file. For example, let we mention the header file studio.h. It is used for standard input and output handling, IO handling in C language. For example, here we use include studio.h. It is used for IO handling in C language. What is the purpose of studio.h? It tells the C compiler to copy the studio.h header file into the program. ये कंपाइलर को बता देता है कि हेडर फाइल, इसकी जो कॉपी हेडर फाइल जो इसकी बनी लाइब्रेरी सी लाइब्रेरी में, उसको उस प्रोग्राम में कॉपी कर दे. इट कंटेन्स स्टैंडर्ड printf and scanf function prototypes. When we use study.h, then we can use the printf function and scanf function in our program. Printf function is used to display the output on monitor screen, and scanf function is used to take the input from the user after the program execution. If we don't use the header file studio.h in our program, then we cannot use these two functions, printf and scanf function. And this function prototype means the function definition, and its code is written in the header file studio.h. Now come to the second example. Hash sign, it shows the preprocessor directive. Define, it is keyword. Variable, it is used for symbolic constant and value and expression. It is used for defining constant is symbolic constant in C program. How we can define? For example, hash sign preprocessor directive, define height 12. Now we define the variable height and its value is 12. And whenever we use this variable in program, wherever it will replace its value by 12. That is all the occurrence of the variable height will be replaced by value 12. हम प्रोग्राम में जहां जहां हाइट वेरिएबल यूज करेंगे ऑटोमेटिकली इसकी वैल्यू 12 उठा लेगा, बिकॉज वी हैव डिफाइन इट बाय यूजिंग डिफाइन वेरिएबल प्रीप्रोसेसर डायरेक्टिव. वी हैव गिवन इट्स वैल्यू 12. Similarly, another example, by using define, we define cube. Here cube is a variable, but we all know that cube will give the product of variable 3 times, a multiply a multiply a. Here we give the value and it will return us a multiply a multiply a. It can once we have defined it, then we can use as many times in our program as we require. For example, it can be used in the program as given below. Volume is equal to cube side. Now here we give the value of side and it will execute its code according to above definition. जहां ऊपर हमने define की उसके मुताबिक अब इसका कोड रन होगा. Now the volume will be calculated as, अब क्या होगा कि हम just क्यूब, ये जो फंक्शन हमने ऊपर डिफाइन किया हम इसको कॉल करेंगे तो क्या होगा, द वॉल्यूम विल बी कैलकुलेटेड एज वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू साइड मल्टीप्लाई साइड. जहां पर भी हम ये क्यूब हम इस फंक्शन को यूज करेंगे, इट्स की वैल्यू 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी, बिकॉज वी हैव डिफाइंड दिस वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फार्मूला. नो अगेन आई वांट टू से दैट preprocessor directives are given at the beginning of the program and it starts with hash signs. We must include header files by using preprocessor directive. It shows the compiler that no, there is the header files, and header files, every C language contain the header files as library programs, and when we include these header files, their copy is added into our program, and now we can use the function given in that particular header file. For example, when we add include studio.h, then this story.h contain the standard input output functions. So we can use the printf function and scanf function in our program. These two functions are mentioned, are given, their prototype and code is given in the header file story.h. If we don't use story.h header file, then we cannot use these two functions. These two functions are basic. These are the input functions for input purpose, and printf is used for output, to give output on monitor in our C programming. Similarly, by using define preprocessor directive define keyword, we can give any constant value or expression to a variable, and when we use this variable in the program, then that its constant value will be displayed. For example, height is equal to 12. Whenever we will use height, its value 12 will be replaced, its value 12 will be executed. And here we define the cube formula. Whenever we use the cube formula, then it's this value on the right side, a multiply a, this is the expression, it will be evaluated according to the this define preprocessive directives. Now in the next videos we will use these preprocessor directives and these header files in our programs according to our requirements. Now you have to learn these two examples and the definition of preprocessor directive. It is mentioned on page 41 on your textbook. Any question, any queries regarding this, you can ask me through WhatsApp or Messenger. Okay ji, thank you. Allah Hafiz.